If you're a buy-to-let landlord looking to refix your mortgage in the near future, things are beginning to look more promising. The Mortgage Works has announced 3 new fixed deals, and whilst they're still not as low as I expect them to be, it is a step in the right direction. The first deal, buy-to-let, is 5-year fixed for a purchase and a remortgage at a rate of 4.99%, which is the first time I've seen a sub 5% mortgage for quite a few months, with a 3% fee, and that's available for up to 55% loan to value. The second one is a 5-year fixed rate, purchase and remortgage at 5.04% with a 3% fee, and that's available up to 65% loan to value. And the third one is a 5-year fixed, again purchase and remortgage at 5.59 with a 14.95 fee, which is significantly better than the other two, and that's available at 75% loan to value. Also, Aldermore, who is a specialist lender, and normally their rates are higher than others. Currently, their variable rate is pretty high. However, they have also reduced their buy-to-let mortgages, and they are currently offering a fixed rate for 5 years at 75% loan to value with a 5% fee at 5.49%. Now, in my experience, Aldermore often have better deals that are only available through brokers. So if you are in a position where you do need a specialist buy-to-let lender and Aldermore comes under your radar, then ensure that you speak to a whole of the market broker, because they may be able to find a deal with Aldermore that is a fair bit lower than the advertised deal. That can work if you are already with Aldermore, because even though Aldermore may be slightly higher than what you could get from the Mortgage Works, you will save yourself all those fees, and for a fixed period of 3 years, maybe 5, but more than likely 3 years, you may well be just as well off or even better off to stay with Aldermore at a marginally higher rate than to move to a lower rate and be subject to a fee of 3%, which is quite a lot, depending of course on the size of your mortgage. In my opinion, for what it's worth, if you can, I would hold fire for a little while longer, because I do expect, with the exception of any unforeseen crisis, that we will see sub 5% fixed rate deals for buy-to-let before the end of the year, if not lower. And that is a good sign. And the fact that the lenders are beginning to offer 5-year fixed deals at the lower rate indicates that they do expect rates to drop in the meantime, and they are trying to tie people in for longer periods. So be careful at this point of time and don't rush, unless of course you're in the terrible position of being in a buy-to-let mortgage and your fixed rate has ended and the variable rate is 50% more than what you can get at a fixed rate, and you have to obviously establish what works for you. I shall keep you posted as more deals are released, and in the meantime, have a wonderful day. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.